Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of modern system reliability, building an intelligent alert rules API. In the fast-paced world of software, knowing when and how your systems are performing is paramount, and a smart alert system is your first line of defense. This isn't just about setting basic thresholds, it's about creating a sophisticated, adaptive guardian for your infrastructure. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to, first, understand the necessity of smart alert rules in production environments. Second, identify the core architectural components that make up an effective alert rules API. You'll also grasp advanced features like intelligent validation, bulk operations, and template systems, which are essential for enterprise-scale management. Finally, we'll explore real-world integration points and robust testing strategies, ensuring you can build and deploy an alert system with true confidence. Let's get started. Imagine a major social network or a global streaming service. How do they detect issues like message delivery drops or video quality degradation before users even notice? The answer lies in sophisticated alert rules. In systems serving millions, manual monitoring is simply impossible. Alert rules act as your digital sentinels, constantly watching hundreds of metrics and triggering notifications only when intervention is truly needed, preventing costly outages and customer dissatisfaction. Our Alert Rules API is designed around three primary components. At its heart is the Rule Engine core, which is like a highly skilled analyst, processing incoming metric data against defined rules in real time. Then we have the validation layer, a critical safeguard that ensures every rule is syntactically correct and logically sound, preventing the dreaded false positive storm that can overwhelm engineering teams. And finally, the template system provides pre-built rule configurations for common scenarios, much like having architectural blueprints ready to go, so you're not starting from scratch every time. Together, these components form a powerful monitoring backbone. One of the most valuable aspects of an intelligent alert system is its validation layer. This isn't just about catching typos, it's about preventing alert fatigue caused by misconfigured rules. Our validation engine performs several crucial checks. Syntax validation ensures your rule expressions are perfectly formatted. Logic verification catches contradictory conditions that would never trigger, saving countless hours of debugging. We even perform performance impact estimates, preventing rules from overloading the system. And for true confidence, historical testing runs new rules against past data to verify their expected behavior before they ever go live. Beyond intelligence, scalability is key. Managing thousands of rules individually quickly becomes unwieldy, especially in large organizations. That's where our Bulk Operations API comes in. It enables mass rule updates during system migrations, template-based deployments across multiple environments, and batch testing before production rollout, bringing enterprise-grade efficiency to your rule management. This combination of smart validation and efficient bulk management makes your alert system truly powerful. Accelerating deployment and ensuring consistency is where the template system truly shines. Instead of recreating common monitoring patterns from scratch, our templates provide battle-tested configurations for scenarios like CPU utilization across different workload types, database performance rules covering connection pools and query performance, and even API response time alerts with automatic baseline detection. This means you're deploying best practices, not reinventing the wheel. But an Alert Rules API doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's a central nervous system for your monitoring ecosystem. It robustly integrates with various external systems. It connects to metrics ingestion sources like Prometheus or custom collectors, feeds validated alerts to notification pipelines, think Slack or PagerDuty, provides a rule management interface for dashboard integration, and meticulously tracks rule changes for audit systems to ensure compliance. Finally, confidence in production is paramount. Our testing framework supports historical replay, allowing you to test rules against past metric data, a simulation mode to preview alert volume before activation, and regression testing to ensure new changes don't break existing functionality. This comprehensive approach ensures your alerts are always reliable and relevant. We've covered a lot today, from the fundamental importance of alert rules to the sophisticated architecture that makes them intelligent and scalable. We started by understanding that smart alert rules are not just a convenience, but an absolute necessity for maintaining reliability in complex, high-traffic systems. You've learned how the core components, the rule engine, validation layer, and template system work together to process metrics, prevent errors, and accelerate deployment. Then we explored the critical role of intelligent validation in preventing alert fatigue and ensuring rule accuracy alongside the power of bulk operations for managing rules at enterprise scale. Finally, we discussed how these APIs integrate with your broader monitoring ecosystem and the importance of a robust testing framework for continuous confidence. This knowledge empowers you to build more resilient, self-improving systems. Now, for a quick self-assessment, how would you design a new alert rule for your current system, considering the validation checks and template options we've discussed today?